Hi, welcome back. In our previous video, we just discussed about the first program of C language. It was a Hello World program. Because of that video, you must be wondering about what programming is about. So, let's make it clear by imagining that you want to teach a robot how to make a sandwich. So you just can't say that make a sandwich to the robot because that robot is not going to understand that how the sandwich is made. So you will have to guide the robot step by step by giving the instructions. So you will have to give specific instructions to the robot so it can make the sandwich for you. The steps could include: pick two slices of bread, put the bread on the plate, pick up the jar of peanut butter, open the jar, dip the knife into the peanut butter, spread the peanut butter on one slice of bread, and so on. So, programming is exactly like that. It is the art of giving a computer a detailed, ordered list of instructions to follow. This list is called program or code. Simply, programming is just saying the computer that you have to do these things and in this order. Okay, the instructions are written in a special language that computers understand, and that language is called a programming language. And you must be familiar or must heard about the programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, or the one which we will be dealing with in this series, which is C language. So, programming is nothing but telling the computer how to solve a particular problem, and that problem solving is guided by us by giving the step by step instructions to the computer to solve the problem. To understand programming better way, we will have to deal with some key concepts of programming. So first one is variables. Variables, the containers that can store anything, okay, or containers, or you can also call it boxes. So boxes are those things that are used to store something. So let's assume there's a box which is labeled or named as my age, and we enter in that box as 25. Okay, now when we will require that a particular item of that box, we can open and take that item from that box. Okay, so these are the rules of variables that are played here by them. Now let's talk about the second key concept, which is data types. Okay, so we discussed about the containers. Okay, the container is used to contain something, and the thing which is contained in a container are known as data types. Means the things that are stored in a container are known as data types. There are several data types in C language, like the int data type, the character data type, boolean data type, and so on. Now, functions. Function is another key concept which must be learned to understand the programming in a better way. So, we can assume functions as mini programs or recipes. When you instructed the robot to make the sandwich in a specific way, okay, you gave it the step by step instructions. Now, when you feel hungry the next time, will you be explaining or instructing the same things to the robot again? Absolutely not. You will just want the robot to do that work automatically when you say or make the sandwich. So, make the sandwich can be termed as a function because that was previously explained by you step by step to the robot. Let's talk about the loops. Let's assume that you're making project with your friends and you call them to your home. After working for some time, you all felt hungry. Now you are ordering the robot to make the sandwich. The robot is instructed to make a single sandwich. It is not going to make several other sandwiches. You, along with your friends, together make 10 person. You're not going to tell the robot 10 times that make sandwich, make sandwich, make sandwich. You want that robot to make the sandwich on a single order or on a single instruction. So you will be using the loops. Now let's talk about the conditionals. Conditionals are the very crucial elements of programming languages. These make the programs more interactive and smarter. They make the programs capable of making their own decisions. If the condition is this, you will have to do this, and if the condition is not this, you will do that. Okay, so these were the conditionals. Programming can't be referred to as just coding. Programming is the mixture of several other things like thinking about the problem, making step by step solutions, implementing that into programming, and then coding that solution. So that's all for today. Thank you.